What does zero lubrication truly mean for your business and your equipment? We talk about it a lot here at igus, and what it boils down to is this. For example, if you're in the heavy duty world and you're playing in the sandbox, you're in the dirty environments like mining, excavating, even on the harbors with all that salt water, things like that, and you're using standard greased up, lubricated bearings, you're gonna have an issue with this because this dirt is going to cling to your ball bearings, for example, and those things will become rock solid and not move an inch. And that lubrication that you're using, that greasing, will seep down into the environment. That's not good for anyone. With our products here, where to go hide the bearing, you can get this nice and dirty, and then it starts moving again. This thing is still fast, and it's not ruining your shaft, it's not ruining your bearing. And there's tons of other heavy duty bearings we have. I'm putting some dirt on there, nice and good for you. That works fantastic after being in this type of environment. When we're talking about zero lubrication, this is what it means for your business. This is what we do here at igus. I want to see your dirtiest applications. I want to see those dirty jobs. Send them to igus if you're using our products, and if you don't have them already, reach out to us for a sample pack of the heavy duty bearings.